Do you have complicated patterns that you need DXF files for? For example, this clock that I have here. With the logic trace system, I can place that pattern, any pattern on the tracing board, trace it out with the pen stylus to the cursor, and get a great DXF file in a very short time. This clock here is very complicated, but with the logic trace system, I'm doing lines, arcs, curves, and circles. I could also do freehand drawing. It is very easy to get a very accurate DXF file in just a matter of minutes. Just trace right around the edges. This particular board that I'm tracing on is 44 by 60 inches. I also have larger ones and smaller ones. We can connect up to 2 to 8 boards together and trace very large patterns. The smallest board that I have is 12 by 18 inches. It is very easy to trace the patterns. Just go around with the pen stylus. Once I save a DXF file, I can load that into any CNC software, including PlasmaCam, SheetCam, Fusion, AutoCAD, just any software at all, and save it as a DXF file. It is starting to come together now. It looks very good. Tracing with the pen stylus, just going around the edge. And this is a very complicated pattern. The pen stylus generates a magnetic field that's picked up by the electrical grid in the board and then saved as a DXF file on the computer for loading into the software. Almost finished here, got just a little bit more. Got a curve here that I'm going to do for this too. Go around there. One more line. There it is. I'm all finished. Look at that. It looks great. Let's save the file.